first I'm going to share with you all nude shades, then pink shades, then red shades, then brown shades. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos, and if you are new to my channel then please take a moment and click the subscribe button. And if you don't know me, I am Tithi. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys top 13 lipsticks that every Indian girl should have. The lipstick shades which I will share with you guys that will suit every Indian skin tone, because मैं भी यूज़ करती हूँ, मेरी मॉम भी यूज़ करती है, मेरी सिस्टर्स भी यूज़ करती है और हम सबको बहुत अच्छी तरह से सूट करता है. सो दैट्स वाई आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइज. एंड मैंने सोचा आजकल तो सभी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ही करता है तो कुछ रेफरेंस मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को, तो इसलिए बस. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू लिपस्टिक्स. And so first of all I'll show you guys nude shades, then pink shades, then brown shades, then red shades. So the first lipstick in the nude range should be the sugar lipstick. Actually कभी कभी आपका फ्रेंड्स ने कोई ऐसा कंडीशन देता है कि अगर आपका सारे लिपस्टिक आपको फेंकना पड़े और कोई एक रखना पड़े तो आप कौन सा रखेंगे. सो मैं इसे रखूँगी. एक्चुअली this lipstick is from Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 19 Emma Woodhouse. This complements my skin tone, my whole makeup look. And कभी कभी होता है खाने के बाद जो कुछ लिपस्टिक्स के साथ होता है ऐसा चैप्ड लुक देता है, बट ये बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं देता है. इसका बहुत ही क्रीमी बटरी टेक्सचर है और ये ऐसा टिंटेड लुक देता है. सो इट्स माई मोस्ट फेवरेट. वैसे तो सब लिपस्टिक जो मैं दिखाऊंगी मेरा फेवरेट है, बट अगर सब लिपस्टिक को फेंकना पड़े तो मैं सिर्फ इसको रखूँगी. सो आई विल शो यू द स्वॉच. It's a beautiful brownie nude lipstick guys, you can see it. And I'm wearing it just right now so you can see it. And also this comes with a sub. The next lipstick from the nude range is from Nykaa. It's their So Creamy Matte lipstick. It's in the shade Dija Nude. So it's a beautiful brownie nude lipstick guys, deep brown lipstick. So I hope you can see it. And it's super affordable guys. Again. Now next lipstick from the nude range, again from Nykaa. It's their So Cream lipstick in the shade Wake Up Makeup. Now it's a beautiful nude lipstick guys. It's brown mixed with a little bit of pink and it's just for everyday look. And its formula is amazing. It's so creamy but it does not feel dry on your lips. Now the next lipstick is from nude range, NYX Powder Puff Lippy. It's in the shade Cool Intention. It comes with this kind of cushion lipstick packaging, this kind of, and it's really good for no makeup looks guys. It's just you just apply it and it will look awesome. And I'll show the swatches. Now we have completed the nude shades. Now we'll go to the pink shades that I will tell you guys. And so the first up is the Nykaa So Cream, again from Nykaa So Cream range. It's in the shade Walk the Walk. Nice name. So actually मैं जब भी बिल्कुल रेडी नहीं रहती हूँ तो मैं बस इसे अप्लाई करती हूँ and it gives you that nice tinted look. It looks so beautiful, so decent, so subtle on your lips. So let me just show you the swatch guys. Now I never used to wear pink lipsticks, but this lipstick made me to wear pink lipsticks. It's so pretty. It's from Specta Cosmetics. It's in the shade Troublemaker 109. I'll show you guys. Now next lipstick from pink range, pink category is PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 08 Smirk. So it's beautiful lipstick guys. After eating you won't feel anything heavy or your lips will not look chapped. So for that reason I just love this, and ये शायद मेरा third bottle होगा, और I just love this lipstick. You can just go for it. Now let me just swatch it. Now next lipstick from red category is Sugar Metal Matte Lipstick in the shade 03 Liza. So this is the packaging. It feels so luxurious guys. The packaging is so classy, and this is the bullet kind of lipstick. So I'll show you the swatches. Now this is my mom's most favorite. उनके पास ही रहता है, बट मुझे जब भी चाहिए तो मैं ले लेती हूँ. The next lipstick is a free lipstick which I got free from a brand like Lime Crime. I purchased something and they give me something, and it's absolute my all-time favorite red lipstick guys. It's their Lime Crime Velvetines matte red lipstick in the shade Rustic. So it's a beautiful red. Just beautiful. I have no word to describe this kind of red. So I'll show you the swatch. So we have come to the end, the brown lipstick category. So for brown lipsticks I have not more options for you guys, but this lipstick is my absolute favorite. I am using it from my student life. So this is from My Glam. This is the Perfect Curves Matte Lip Crayon in the shade 06 Terra. So I'll show you. It's a retractable crayon and it's a beautiful brown lipstick guys. I'll show you the swatch. Now the next lipstick from down category is K Beauty Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Rumor. So this is the lipstick guys, and it's a retractable lip crayon. So just see, this is the brown color. I'll show you the swatch. This feels very buttery and you can see guys. So with that we have come to the end of this video guys. I hope you like my videos, and if you're watching my videos then please click the subscribe button. Free में है, please subscribe कर दो. Bye bye.